here in Belmont, and I'm sort of craving for some Japanese food. Hey guys, I've finished eating and I'm glad I stopped here. It's located in Belmont. It's called Sushiya. I was craving for some sushi, and luckily I found this place. It's brand new. It's just open. It's located in Belmont Shopping Center, opposite Coles. Hi guys, I'm back. I'm coming home now. I'm going home now. And napagastos tayo ngayon. Napagastos tayo. Not only I bought a gold earrings, I also bought this sunglass that I'm wearing. I don't normally wear this style, pero I wanna try it, and I think I look okay. So there you go. Napagastos si Madam. Kapag talaga lumabas, talaga pati pera lumalabas eh. You know that. You know guys, I'm very careful with money. I'm very careful with spending. But when I go out, my goodness, once I find something I like, I just have to buy it. I just have to grab it. So there you go. They said life is too short. Enjoy your life. Well, I did. I had lunch, bought myself an earring, bought myself a sunglass, and many more that I spent for today just to have fun because it's such a beautiful day. Hi everyone! Welcome to Marisol in Australia. Heto na naman tayo. Here we are again. It's chicken laying egg season na naman. Kaya papakita ko sa inyo yung mga nakukolekta kong mga itlog sa likuran. We have 8 chicken but namatay yung isa. Sayang. 8 silken chicken ang tawag namin dyan sa mga manok na yan. So anyway, like I said, namatay yung isa. So 7 na lang ang nangingitlog. Only 7 laying eggs. So ngayon, pupuntahan natin, papakita ko sa inyo yung mga nakukulektang mga itlog, yung mga nakakailang linggo, ilang araw, at yung ngayon, kahapon at saka ngayon. Minamatyagan ko talaga, binabantayan ko talaga yung pag-itlog nila kasi gusto ko nakukuha ko ng fresh yung mga itlog niya. The only difference with this type of chicken, yung itlog niya hindi siya masyadong malaki, maliliit lang siya. Pero hey, what? Come on. Chicken egg is chicken egg kahit anong pang gawin niyo dyan. So anyway, papakita ko sa inyo. Pero bago ang lahat, gusto ko na makita na muna ninyo ang aming mga ibang alaga. One of them is our naughty dog. Naughty good dog sometimes. And here, our aviary. There you go. You will see all the birds. Ang ingay. But comes night time, tumatahimik naman yan. So, it's breeding season na naman. So, nag-breed na naman yung husband ko. So, there goes our budgies. Hindi lang yan, marami pa. On this side, makikita nyo naman yung mga lovebirds. I forgot what's that other one called. Tapos sa ibaba, makikita nyo yung aming mga beautiful guinea pig. Okay, so, kitang-kita nyo. Oh, isang pamilya yan. Tingnan nyo. Flock of birds that stay together. Look, all yellow. Tapos yung mga orange, nandoon sila sa taas. Mga orange, nandoon naman. Amazing, ano? They keep together. The white stay together. Ayan, pinches pala tawag, na alala ko na. Kita nyo na? The yellow stays yellow with the yellow. The orange stays with the orange. The white stays with the white. Wow! On this side of the cage, there goes all the princes. See? There are many of them there. You just can't see it properly, but they're all in there. And guys, nadidinig nyo na? So come on, let's go. Let's go and check the eggs. Hello! At ito na yung mga nakulit ko. Ayan. At saka yung mga nakulit kong eggs. Itong mga eggs na to, kahapon lang ito, at saka ngayong umaga. O ngayong hapon. So, I have to clean it and put it back in the fridge. So, ayan. Kita nyo na, sabi ko sa inyo, they are fresh eggs every day, but I have to clean it. Napapakita ko sa inyo yung mga iba pang nakulit ng asawa ko. Ay, kita nyo, nakakatuwa. Mainit pa eh, oh. Still warm. Here is the eggs of the day. Our chicken is laying eggs again. Ayan, makikita ninyo. This is just yesterday and today. Organic yan. Guys, there are the other eggs. There you go. 7 chicken lay that much eggs, ah. Ang dami, ah. So they needs cleaning. So this one, it's not going inside the house. Kasi yan, I didn't watch when it hatches. So I don't know how old this one. But yung husband ko lang ang nagkokulit ng mga itlog na yan. Ayan, oh, kita nyo, oh. So, itlog na itlog yan. So, kita nyo kung gaano kadami. Wow! So, yan ang galing sa 7 chickens. I wonder, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. 2 dosena halos yan. Diba nakakatuwa? Oh. Kahit saan ka man manggaling eh, hindi ka makakadampot ng living egg. But look at these eggs. Wow! Alam mo kung anong kinakain ng mga manok na yan. Ito na nga, ang pinaka first brand new na batch ng egg na nakuha natin. Ayan, nakikita nyo, there are white, there are slightly brown. Up to this day, hindi ko alam talaga kung sino naglelay ng white at sino naglelay ng brown. I haven't actually watched it kung alin dyan. But there you go. Many, many eggs. Eggs every day. Needs cleaning. And more eggs again today. My God, out of 7 chickens. Look at that. You can't complain. You can't complain. Good morning, guys. Welcome to my life in Australia. It's another day. I want to check if there's some egg there. Let's go. Oh, chickadees. Oh, there's 2. There is 2. Hello. There you go, guys. Mainit-init pa. Ayan, nakakuha na tayo ulit ng another eggs. Thank you. I got your eggs. Thank you. So, till tomorrow again. So, ayan guys. Kita nyo? Another 2 eggs. Mamayang hapon, meron na naman yan. Mainit-init pa yung ating eggs. Pero, hugasan natin. Siyempre, galing sa bottom ng chicken yan. Alisin lang natin yung konting dust. Ayan. Dust at saka yung katas-katas ng alam nyo na kung anong ibig kong sabihin. So, ayan. Tingnan nyo. Fresh na fresh yan. Oh, you can't go wrong. So, here is the one that we picked yesterday. Ayan, kahapon. Kita nyo? At saka, if you remember the other video, I've got other eggs as well. Kahapon lang yan, my God. Maybe the last 2 days. Kasi there is 7 chicken there. Kaya ang daming mag-itlog. Kita nyo, okay ano? So, ngayon nakakulik tayo ng 2. Mamaya, there'll be some more there in the afternoon. Yung mga naunang eggs, hindi ko kinukulik kasi mas matatanda yun eh. Hindi ko alam kung ilang days na yun mula na i-hatch. So, ilagay natin sa ilalim yung pinaka-fresh. magamit muna itong mga ito. So, ayan guys, tignan nyo. Very good ha. I'm very happy. Where can you find something like that? Every day. Alam nyo, mahal din to buy an egg, ano? A tray, at least it's about $8. Some are $10. So, I'm very happy with this. Thank you to my chickens. Libre pa yan, ha? Collect ka lang ng collect sa likuran. There you go guys. Nakita nyo na ang mga eggs na kinokollect ko from our backyard, from our beautiful, gorgeous chickens. So, thank you for watching.